Casa Del Rey is a 5-star manufactured housing community located in Southern California. We're over here in Hemet, which is just an hour to an hour and a half from San Diego, Los Angeles, and Orange County. Over here is a section that we've put several new homes in over the last couple of years. These homes range in different styles, half-built, factory-built front porches. We've even put some beautiful single wides in here. We've put Skyline, Fleetwood, Silvercrest, Champion. We've worked with all the major manufacturers to help fill all the vacant spaces. We're over here on the west side clubhouse. This is a beautiful clubhouse. Both clubhouses offer their residents a swimming pool, jacuzzi, billiards room, poker room, computer room. The list goes on. Let's go take a look at the billiards room.
My name is Richard Melendez. I've been here at Casa Del Rey for about 6 years, and we still live in Corona. And my wife's cousin lives here. He's been living here about, I'd say 10 years. And they told us about it. So before I knew it, my wife says, we're moving. And here we are. We've been here 6 years, and they got some nice people here. And so we enjoy the company. Got the swimming pool, jacuzzi, billiards, something for everyone. And so we just take one day at a time because we just don't know. And they got some good people in the office and the maintenance, and if we have a problem or something, we just call up and they'll schedule us and they'll come in when they can. And because we went with that pandemic, it was pretty tough, right? So, but hey, we're hanging in there now. So here we are. It's open again and trying to keep ourselves busy.
Right here is something we have over here to the right. We have RV storage, RV and boat storage. So a lot of communities do not have enough room for you to store all your toys, but Casa Del Rey does. Check out this view. In the evenings, Hemet cools down. You're able to sit on your front porch, enjoy the foothills. This is one reason why residents do retire in Casa Del Rey. If you want to learn more about Casa Del Rey or 55+ manufactured housing communities in the state of California, leave a comment. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.